वेनसडे मिटींग जाल्ली बस आनी मागीर तेंच्यांनी डिस्कशन जालें तुमचें तुमी म्हटलें की आपल्याक कांय खबर ना मिटिंगेचेर.
The question was regarding the poster that came out and being publicized basically on different medias.
Okay.
And I have said that on that day I have even mentioned कि Baba, until you have your subcommittees in place, this shouldn't have gone out. So how can I be aware if I was not told that you are going to sit and put this thing out? I cannot say that I know about it.
Mm-hmm.
I've been clear on my stand that I was not aware that this being out for whatever reasons. In the meetings held, I felt it was unnecessary and uncalled for. And it is better that I abstain even, because I have observed that there are hindrances among people, the members over there with my presence. So in order to have a good and smooth functioning of the committees, it is better that I stay away from the carnival committee. And I just give them good wishes.
मॅडम तुमकां अशें दिसतालें थंय पयशांचें खंय तरी मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन बी जातालें. तेंच्यांनी कमिटी बी चेंज केली. पयलीं दिसा एक दोगांक घेतले तेंचे शशांक नार्वेकर आनी कमल डिसोजा. मागीर नेक्स्ट डे तेंच्यांनी ती काल रद्द केली. आतां परत दुसरी नवीन कमिटी काडूंक सोदतात. कितें एक्झॅक्ट प्रकार?
Actually, what was happening inside?
As per me, there was no need for an official meeting as such, as per my knowledge and what I understand. Because when we form the committees, when the main core committee of the secretary, the chairman and the treasurers and their vice, that on that day you call for a proper official meeting. When we call for a subcommittee level, it need not be enforced. So it is their own members first of all calls for a meeting, and the same member, even if they are not present, when you demand saying that you need an official meeting, it is your own members that are making a noise about it. If you all have a difference between your own people, I am not going to be hanging in between both. For me, it is to take everyone into consideration and get the carnival done smoothly.